In our recent investigation, we exposed how planned obsolescence has infected the appliance industry. Today, we're answering that question. We have compiled the Dishwasher White List. These are the 5 specific brands that repair technicians actually recommend. Here is the data that matters. We pulled reliability statistics from over 77,000 dishwashers surveyed between 2015 and 2025. We interviewed 15 independent appliance repair companies across the country. We analyzed 33,000 service calls from one of the largest appliance retailers in America. And one statistic stopped us cold. 21% of dishwashers break down or stop working properly within their first 5 years. That is a 1 in 5 chance you'll be calling a repair technician before the warranty expires. But here's what the manufacturers don't want you to know. 5 brands consistently outperform the rest. They have service rates under 10%. They have lifespans measured in decades, not years. And every single one of them is available right now. Secure links are in the description. Let's go! Number 1. Miele, the 20-year machine. If you want a dishwasher that will outlast your mortgage, there is only one name that belongs at the top of this list. Miele has been building appliances in Germany for over 120 years. Their company motto is Immer besser, which translates to forever better. And unlike most marketing slogans, this one actually means something. Every Miele dishwasher is tested for the equivalent of 20 years of household use before it leaves the factory. That's not a typo. They run 5,600 wash cycles on each model during development, simulating 2 decades of daily operation. When the testing is complete and the machine still performs like new, only then does it earn the Miele name. The numbers back this up. Miele dishwashers have a 5.5% service rate. That means out of every 100 Miele dishwashers sold, fewer than 6 will need a repair call in the first year. Compare that to the industry average of 15 to 20%. The interior is 100% stainless steel, not a hybrid tub with plastic on the bottom, not stainless walls with a plastic base, pure surgical-grade stainless steel throughout. It resists stains, eliminates odors, and maintains structural integrity for decades. The G7216 SCU is the model to look for. It features front controls with a stainless steel tub, a dedicated third rack for cutlery and utensils, and Miele's Quick Intense Wash program that delivers superior cleaning and drying results in under 60 minutes. The 42 decibel operation is quieter than a normal conversation. 3 full-size dedicated spray arms ensure water reaches every item in every rack. And the extra dry function guarantees perfect drying results, even on plastics and glass. Critics will say Miele costs more upfront. They're right. But when your neighbor is replacing their 3rd Samsung in 15 years and you're still running the same Miele you bought when you moved in, the math speaks for itself. Number 2. Bosch, the German standard. 11 out of 15 appliance repair technicians we interviewed named the same brand when asked which dishwasher they would put in their own kitchen. Bosch. The company has been engineering dishwashers for over 50 years, and they have earned a reputation that few competitors can match. Here is what sets Bosch apart. Every single dishwasher must pass 485 quality checks before it leaves the factory. That includes running every unit with water to verify the seals, the pumps, the spray arms, and the drainage system actually work. Most manufacturers test a sample from each production run. Bosch tests every single machine. The 800 series is the flagship. The SHX78CM5N operates at 42 decibels. That is quieter than rainfall. You can run it during dinner conversation and forget it exists. The crystal dry technology uses natural minerals called zeolites to absorb moisture and generate heat, delivering dishes that are completely dry, including plastics. No water spots, no towel drying required. The stainless steel tub resists stains and odors while retaining heat for better drying performance. The Rackmatic system adjusts to 9 different positions, so you can fit everything from wine glasses to stock pots. And the AquaStop leak protection system runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, automatically stopping water intake and activating the drain pump if it detects even a potential leak. Bosch dishwashers have a 7.7% service rate. They are the most trusted dishwasher brand in America, according to multiple independent studies. And they consistently earn the top ratings from every major testing organization. The 800 series starts at a premium price point, but the 300 series and 500 series offer the same German engineering and the same pump and motor system at lower price points. The only differences are the drying technology and some rack flexibility features. Number 3. KitchenAid, the lifetime warranty. Here is something most people don't know. One major American brand offers a lifetime limited warranty on the stainless steel tub, the door liner, and the entire wash system, including the motor, the pump, and the electronic controls. That brand is KitchenAid. A lifetime warranty on the components that actually matter, not just the first year. Not a 5-year extended plan you have to purchase separately. A lifetime commitment from the manufacturer that the parts doing the actual work will not fail. If the wash system breaks, KitchenAid covers it. If the motor dies, KitchenAid covers it. If the electronic controls malfunction, KitchenAid covers it. The KDTS 424 SPS is the model to look for. It features over 50 total wash jets across 4 wash arms, providing targeted cleaning on every level of the dishwasher. The 360-degree Max Jet's third rack uses dedicated wash jets to clean glasses, mugs, and bowls from above, while freeing up space in the racks below. The ProDry Max system uses a fan and heater to circulate hot air after the wash cycle, delivering thoroughly dry dishes without rinse aid. And the Pro Wash cycle automatically adapts settings based on soil level to deliver the best cleaning performance. 44 decibels. That is quieter than rainfall. You can run this dishwasher while entertaining guests in an open-concept kitchen and no one will know it's on. KitchenAid dishwashers have an 8.2% service rate. They consistently rank in the top tier for reliability across every major survey. And the combination of American manufacturing with that lifetime warranty on the wash system makes them a legitimate buy-it-for-life option. Number 4. GE, the American workhorse. If you want a dishwasher backed by one of the largest appliance service networks in the United States, the name is GE. With manufacturing and service centers across the country, GE can get a technician to your home faster than almost any competitor. And when you're dealing with a flooded kitchen, speed matters. The GDT 650 SYVFS features dry boost technology that gets hard-to-dry items like plastics and containers up to 3 times drier than heated dry alone. The stainless steel interior resists stains and odors while retaining heat for better drying performance. A dedicated third rack provides additional loading flexibility with a place to wash and dry silverware, spatulas, lids, and more. The Steam and Sani option loosens tough soils before the wash cycle begins, so you get a complete wash with no pre-rinsing or soaking necessary. The sanitization cycle reduces 99.999% of bacteria on dishes. The fingerprint-resistant stainless steel finish keeps the exterior looking clean without constant wiping. At 47 decibels, this dishwasher runs quietly enough for open-concept living. That is slightly louder than the Bosch and KitchenAid options on this list, but still well below the industry average. And the combination of GE's nationwide service availability with proven dry boost drying technology makes this a strong contender for families who want reliable performance without chasing down a specialty technician. Number 5. Cafe, the designer's choice. For homeowners who want their appliances to make a statement, there is one brand that combines premium aesthetics with serious engineering. Cafe is GE's luxury line, built for people who care as much about how their kitchen looks as how it performs. But unlike some designer brands that sacrifice reliability for style, Cafe delivers both. Cafe dishwashers share the same core engineering as GE, including proven drying technology and robust build quality. But they add customizable hardware, unique finishes like matte white and platinum glass, and design touches that make them stand out in high-end kitchens. The CDT 888P2 VS1 is their flagship model. It features dual convection ultra dry, which uses 2 fans and a heater to circulate hot air throughout the tub, delivering restaurant-quality drying even on plastics and containers. The 39 decibel operation is nearly silent, and the Wi-Fi connectivity lets you monitor and control cycles from your phone. What makes Cafe different from standard GE is the attention to detail. The handles are customizable. The finishes are fingerprint resistant. The interior lighting illuminates the entire tub for easy loading. These are the details that matter when you're building a forever kitchen. Cafe dishwashers have an estimated lifespan of 12 to 15 years with regular maintenance. They inherit GE's nationwide service network, which means when something does go wrong, you're not waiting weeks for a specialty technician. And the combination of premium aesthetics with proven GE reliability makes Cafe the choice for homeowners who refuse to compromise on either. The brands to avoid. Now that you know which brands make the white list, let me tell you which ones did not. Samsung dishwashers have a well-documented history of failures. The LC error code, which supposedly signals a leak, has stranded thousands of owners with machines that either will not run or display phantom leaks that do not actually exist. Control boards fail, pumps die, and when you call for service, replacement parts are difficult to source and expensive to install. One owner reported buying a Samsung dishwasher that had a control board error straight out of the box. The pump kept running non-stop. He got it replaced, and 4 years later, the exact same problem happened again. The repair quote? $125 for the service call plus $500 in parts and labor for a dishwasher that cost less than that new. LG dishwashers have similar problems. While they have improved in recent years, repair technicians consistently report that parts are hard to find and that the machines are difficult to service. 3 of the 15 appliance repair experts we interviewed specifically said they would not recommend LG dishwashers to customers. Frigidaire and Hotpoint earned decent reliability scores in some surveys, but owner satisfaction is near the bottom. The machines technically keep running, but they're loud. They have cheap plastic tubs, they lack adjustable racks, and they do a poor job at drying dishes. You will not enjoy using them. And an appliance you hate is an appliance you will replace early. The verdict. The Buy It for Life philosophy is not about spending less money. It's about spending money once. A Miele dishwasher tested for 20 years of use costs more than a Samsung tested to survive the warranty period. But the Miele will still be cleaning dishes when the Samsung is in a landfill. Here's the math. If you buy a budget dishwasher and it dies in 7 years, you buy another one. That's 2 dishwashers in 14 years. If you buy a Miele or a Bosch and it runs for 20 years, you buy 1 dishwasher in 20 years. You avoid the service calls, the flooded kitchens, the hand-washing dishes while waiting for parts, and the time spent researching your next purchase. Stop buying dishwashers based on how they look under the showroom lights. Start buying them based on how they perform in real kitchens over real years. Buy the stainless steel tub. Buy the German engineering. Buy the lifetime warranty. Buy once and move on with your life. Links to all 5 recommended dishwashers are in the description below. Stay safe and keep it valid.